Kitchen hacks I learned after living for 500 years. 1 is stick chopsticks into yams to easily peel them without any itchiness. 2. If there's too much oil in your hot pot, use a ladle to scoop some ice cubes onto the surface of the soup and stir them around. The cold temperature will cause the oil to solidify and come to the surface, making it easier to remove. 3. Pour boiling water over fish to effortlessly remove the skin. For if you accidentally add too much salt to a soup, put a peeled potato into the pot. It will absorb the excess salt. 5. If you've added too much water when cooking rice and it turns into porridge, place a slice of bread in the pot and heat it for 5 minutes. The bread will absorb the excess water. 6. If brown sugar has hardened, place a damp paper towel on top of it and microwave it for a short time. This will make the brown sugar soft and pliable again. 7. Are you still using your teeth to open rice bags? Look for the side with a single thread and cut open the right side. Pull from the side with 2 threads, and the rice bag will easily open. 8. Place large shrimp inside an empty mineral water bottle and fill it with water. Make sure it's completely filled, then tightly close the cap and store it in the freezer compartment of your refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to a year. 9. Here's a great way to thaw frozen meat. Pour salt and white vinegar into the container with the meat and add warm water. Soak for 5 minutes. The thawed meat will be more delicious than freshly bought. 10. The leftover oil from frying contains impurities. Mix 1 tablespoon of starch with 1 tablespoon of water until well combined. Fry it in the hot oil to absorb the impurities. Then, remove it and you'll have fresh oil instantly. If you haven't mastered these techniques yet, I recommend bookmarking this information for future reference.